All right, guys, today we're going to open up this panel and talk about what's safe, what's not safe, and how everything works. So let's crack this baby open and get started. Power comes in from the meter. These two hot lugs, don't touch them, okay? That energizes those two buses, okay? Those two bolts energizes them all the way down to the bottom. Don't touch those. That's what gives power to the breaker, okay, when you snap it in there. Those screws, don't touch them, because once the breaker's on, those things are live. With the breaker off, normally you could touch it, but I wouldn't recommend it, okay? We've discussed the hot wires. Let's talk about the neutral wire. It sits between the two hots in the middle. Don't touch that either. It can carry current. All right. The neutral carries electricity back to the transformer. It completes the circuit so the electricity can flow. All right. Now the ground wire connects the panel and all the metal parts to the earth. You can see that big bare copper ground wire up there on the left of the panel. Don't touch the bare ground while the panel's powered. Normally it carries no current, only during a fault. It attaches to the ground bar in the main panel, which is bonded to the neutral bar in this case, since this is the first means of disconnect. This green bond screw bonds the neutrals and grounds together. So the grounds and the neutrals are bonded in this panel because it's the main panel, the first means of disconnect. Okay? The reason why they're bonded is so it gives fault current a direct path back to the transformer, so breakers trip fast and metal parts don't become energized. Okay, if this were a sub panel, the next panel after the main breaker, then the grounds and neutrals would need to be separated. But still, do not touch these. Hope you learned something here today. Please like and follow, and let me know if you want to learn about anything else.